Financial crises have affected everyone around the globe, but unfortunately, people do not consider it a form of domestic abuse. It never leaves the bruises, but it affects the safety and well-being of a person. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kashmala Fakhr. Welcome to INN. Today, we are going to talk about financial abuse and its effects on the society. Financial abuse is taking control of someone else's finances, selling a member possession, or stopping a member from getting a job or from studying. Financial abuse is also limiting access to money. In Pakistani society, mostly women suffer from financial abuse due to male-dominant society and the culture that prevails in Pakistan. Generally, it is perceived that it is a man's job to handle the finances and women are not capable enough to take care of the finances. 48% of total population of Pakistan is women. And if 48% of population of a country is dependent on their male counterparts, can you imagine what is happening to the economy of this country? According to World Bank Global Findex report, only 7% of women have their financial services accounts. These stats are showing a very grim picture of Pakistan and how low choices women are left with. But you can definitely reverse this reality by educating and empowering the women of your houses. Let us start our work today towards financially independent Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.